Hi everyone, we are at the end of our unit on C and G, making soft and hard sounds. Let's do our warm up and then I want to prepare you for the test. So, of course, before our warm up, we need to pick out one of our puzzles. Let's see how we do. Oh, I got it. So what are these people doing right here? They're on strike. They're saying unfair, no. So that says 3 strikes. There's that or again. You're out. 3 strikes, you're out. Do any of you play baseball or softball? Awesome. I played softball in college. I got a scholarship, so it paid for all of my college, which is a really cool thing. So whatever it is that you love, whether it's a sport or art or music, you should work really hard at it, and you never know how it might pay off. It'll take you places, whether it's college, a dream job, or just meeting maybe some of your best friends for life. Follow your passions. All right, guys. So pick your body movement that you want to do to the rhythm of these warm-ups sounds. All right. I did the fist pump and I did really like that. I think today I'll do the boxing. All right. So here we go. Let's do the G and the C. Okay. G G. G J when it's followed by E I or Y. C K. C S when it's followed by E I or Y. All right. And how about R controls? We haven't really looked at those in a while. AR, car R. OR, OR, horn OR, doctor ER, her IR, bird burn And something tells me I forgot one for AR. Does anyone remember? Or wait a second. I forgot the other one for OR. I didn't say worm. Worm. So we have doctor and we have wormer. Okay. Gotta get all those R controls straight. And the other ARs just came to me. AR, beggar AR, warm or. Yeah, so we have 3 sounds for AR and 3 sounds for OR. Okay. Let's talk a little bit about the test. All right. So I'm looking at the test right now and I'm going to tell you what's on it. All you have to do is prepare for it. You are going to need to write the sounds for J and S, and you're going to have to do a couple vowel teams too. So study those and study where to look in your student notebook because you can use that on your test. We haven't really looked at it in a little while, but I would highly recommend this page, page 20, that has spelling options for all the vowel sounds. So whatever your teacher says, if she says if she says if she says E, you find long E, and they're all there. That can be a lot to remember. What if she says short E? That's not on that page. If she says short E, you're going to want to look more on your vowel teams poster to help you find all those. So you'd say short E, well, that sounds like eat, or sorry, short E sounds like bread, so EA. Okay. The next thing on your test is the sound alikes. So we learned about the 2 kinds of peace and the 3 kinds of scent. Look back again in your notebook, look up those definitions and make sure you know which is which. And then you're going to have to write 5 words. They will include things that have a soft J sound and a soft C sound. You're going to have to underline D, G, E trigraphs. You're going to have to put a J over any G's that say J. You'll have to put an S over any C that says S. And you're going to have to scoop syllables and circle the suffix. So a lot of times in our lessons, we've been not only scooping syllables, but we've also been labeling the vowels. But technically, I guess you don't have to do that. Looking at the test, that's what it says. Okay, and then the last thing that you'll do, as always, is write some sentences. So make sure that you get used to checking over your sentences carefully. Okay, so now you know what to study and practice. So today, the rest of today's time isn't going to be you watching me on a video. It's going to be trusting that you use your time wisely. So your first assignment is to take about 5 to 10 minutes looking in your notebook and practicing any words that have been hard or any of your sound alikes that you don't know. Your second assignment is this lovely activity right here. So on some paper, here's what I challenge you to do. These are 4 different sets of homophones. I want you to try to write a fun sentence that has both pairs in one sentence. So for example, let me grab my marker. Another homophone pair that we know is made and made. An example, if I had to do it with this one, I might say, the maid made my bed. So you need to have fun with this, be creative, and see how you can try to put both these words in one sentence. Sell and sell. How can you put seen and seen into one sentence? And if you need to add endings, suffix endings, and change the words, manipulate them a little bit, you might need to. How can you put sent, and sent in a sentence? And how can you put piece and piece in a sentence? Okay, so the video is done for today. You need to do your 5 sentences and you need to do your studying, and you'll be all ready for that test. See you next time when we start a new unit.